Hello everyone, I am Seth Melchior from St. Louis, Missouri, doing a video review for TreeStuff.com. Today, taking a look at the Rock Exotica RockO Carabiners. I've been using Rock Exotica Carabiners for quite a while. They are my favorite carabiners. Very lightweight, still have a good heft to them though. They just feel and look so premium and so durable. They just my favorite. And my favorite part about them personally is the downwards facing opening gate. I know a lot of people hate that, but it just feels so much more intuitive to me, and I just really like it. This one does have two indicators, one on either side, that show when the device is locked, so you can visually verify that, just in case. Are rated for 24 kilonewtons and 11 on the up and down axis. So very strong carabiners. Not going anywhere with one of these. The gate is sideways opening, which is another one of my favorite parts about these. You can get things done a lot easier. Just really nice. Just a little attention to detail that Rock Exotica shows in their products. It really just stands out. These are my absolute favorite carabiners. If you can't stand the downwards facing opening, there are other options out there, but if you don't mind that and you want probably the most premium feeling carabiners on the market, Rock Exotica makes the carabiner for you.